Pork is a delicious part of any meal, just as long as it's cooked properly. The best way to ensure both a safe and tasty eating experience is to use a meat thermometer to cook your pork. For the finest pork chops, pork roasts, pork loins, or tenderloins, cook them to an internal temperature of 145 degrees Fahrenheit, followed by a 3-minute rest. Nobody likes a dry chop, so the right pork cooking temperature is the final step in plating a perfectly juicy, tender cut of meat. Learn more at ilpork.com. Did you know there are over 2,000 pig farmers in Illinois? Many of those hardworking farmers could be your neighbors, friends, or family members. From your hot off the grill favorites to Sunday morning bacon, Illinois pig farmers are committed to raising healthy pigs that produce quality food for their families and yours. To learn more about the work this agricultural trade association is doing throughout Illinois, go to ilpork.com. Illinois Pork Producers Association, generations of commitment.